Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by understanding why the SSID matters for your home or office network. A clear SSID helps you identify 4 GHz and 5 GHz bands easily on devices. Changing the SSID reduces accidental connections to similar network names in crowded areas. Avoid personal data in the SSID like your full name or address to protect privacy. Use a short, descriptive name with no spaces if you prefer simpler device compatibility across phones and smart home devices. First, connect a device to the router via Ethernet or current Wi-Fi network. Open a browser and go to 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1 to access the admin page. Enter the admin username and password printed on the router or set by you. Navigate to wireless, Wi-Fi, or SSID settings for 4 GHz and 5 GHz bands separately. Edit the SSID fields to your new names and click Save or Apply to commit the changes. After renaming, set encryption to WPA2 or WPA3 for the best compatibility and security. Choose a Wi-Fi password of at least 12 characters with letters, numbers, and symbols. Rename both to 4 GHz and 5 GHz bands consistently if you want seamless roaming between bands. Update the router admin password from the default to a unique passphrase to prevent unauthorized access. Finally, reconnect all devices to the new SSID and test internet access on 3 devices to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.